Step 3. Verifying that the Barcode Logic JustScan software that has been downloaded and installed is the correct version. To find your software, you would actually go to Start and look for the JustScan software logo. If you can't find it on your Start menu, then simply type in JustScan. Once you've found the app in your search, then click on that to open and start it. For this demo, we've actually downloaded and installed the JustScan version 2.0.0. There may be a later version on our website which you could download and install. Once you've checked that, then just go into the help and check that it is correct. It's running on a Windows 10 platform. Once you've done that, then you know that the software is installed correctly, running correctly, and you're ready to go. The second part is to ensure that the FTP server, which the scanner uses to send data to and from the PC, is installed and operating. So we'll go down and show the hidden icons. Click on that. You'll see a green circle with a tick, and if you hover over there, it will say that the BLSFTP server is running. So we're going to right click on that to actually show the server, and it will come up and it will actually say the server is now listening on port 22. While we're here, what we want to do is go and get the network settings to make sure that we have them ready to put into the scanner. So we go to Help, Network Information, grab the local host information, copy that, pop it into a notepad, and also go and get your IP address. Usually it will be the Wi-Fi adapter, not the virtual adapters, but the actual straight Wi-Fi. So copy that and pop it into the notepad, and then you've got them for later. So you can just minimize that. Once you've done that, then close that, close the FTP server, and it will run seamlessly in the background. Often you'll see it on your taskbar as a green arrow with a blue tick. And that completes the step 3, verifying that the software is installed and operating correctly.